I have 2 flavor. Ito, lagyan ko ng coffee yung isa. With coffee. Coffee flavor.
It also touches inside.
Rice cake with coffee flavor. Yeah. I will make a coffee flavor. It's yummy.
But I can't try it.
Yeah, first time to try.
You don't want to pour it down?
Yeah.
But I don't want.
You don't want? No problem. There's a white one. Ayaw daw niya ng may coffee. Gusto niya yung plain. No problem. We have plain. Coffee flavor.
But I'm afraid to taste it.
You're afraid? Don't worry. I will put more coffee. 2 kutsarang kape. Rice cake and coffee flavor. Sadyang buo-buo yan para malasahan yung coffee.